Instruction manual ×1. Car keys included 2. Adjustable armrest ×2. Storage basket ×1. Seat cushion ×1. After removing the tape, lift the box from bottom to top. Remove the protective plastic film. Press the red button down to unlock the folded state. Press down on the middle bar of the body. Put on a comfortable cushion. Insert the armrest with adjustment rods. Tighten the nut. Install adjustable armrests on both sides. Install the storage basket. Installation completed.